Hey, this is Josh Alexander with your November Orange County housing market update. So over the last 4 weeks, we've seen about a 14% decrease in supply, which is typical this time of year. Usually people are starting to take their homes off the market as they get ready for the holidays and having friends and family over. Now, typically we also usually see about the same drop in demand. But this year, however, over the last 4 weeks, we've actually seen a 3% increase in demand. So there's two main reasons this is happening. One, interest rates are still at historic lows. So right now they're hovering around 3.75%. If you look at this compared to last year, we were looking at about 5% interest rates. So buyers that previously were unable to get into homes last year can actually afford mortgage payments this year on that same price home, because you're looking at hundreds of dollars less than you would have paid last year for your mortgage. The second reason is the economy. So the economy, especially in Southern California, the recent data coming out showing job growth as well as wage growth has helped increase the confidence, and buyers are still in the market even during the holiday season looking for homes right now. Okay, so we have the basic laws of supply and demand at work here. So basically, if the demand is increasing and supply is decreasing dramatically, what that means for the housing market is that we're going further into a seller's market. So 4 weeks ago, we were sitting at right around 84 days in terms of the average days on market. Right now, we're down to 71 days. So it's going farther and farther into a seller's market. Now, just to put that into perspective, anything between 60 and 90 days is considered a seller's market. If you go below 60 days, however, you're getting into the hot seller's market, where you're expecting appreciation as well as multiple offers on some homes on there. So if you look at the graph right up here, anything under $1 million right now in Orange County is actually in a hot seller's market. And if you go below the $750,000 mark, we're in a very hot seller's market, again, where a lot of sellers are going to be expecting multiple offers as well as homes to appreciate in that area. Now, for sellers, especially in those lower price range, that doesn't mean you can overprice your home, but that just means if you price it according to fair market value, your chances of getting into escrow relatively quickly and even getting multiple offers are going up dramatically as the rest of the year unfolds. Now, for buyers, it's still a great time to purchase because, again, and the reason the demand is continuing to go up is interest rates are still at historic lows. So if you're a buyer, don't stop looking. If you have a chance to get out during the weekends when you're not with friends and family, there's a lot of great homes still on the market, even with inventory going down. As a seller, your competition is starting to exit the market. So even though some people don't want to have their homes on the market, if you can deal with the foot traffic, you're going to be getting a lot more buyers to your house, and you're going to be able to sell your home quicker than you have been able to over the last few months. So I'll update you again in another 4 weeks, but just in general, what I expect to happen, you're looking at probably demand is going to stay relatively stable. It might go down a little bit as the holidays get closer, especially after Thanksgiving. But supply, you're probably going to start seeing go down even more dramatically. So over the next 4 weeks, I probably think it's going to be going down anywhere from 14 to 18% compared to it is right now. So that will keep us in a nice, even healthy market. Again, it's favoring the sellers a little bit right now, but because interest rates are so low, it's really not a good time for buyers to be pulling out. You really need to be going all in to try to find that house before the end of the year and before interest rates start going back up again.